everyone, this is Alisa from Shenzhen BMS, and today I would like to share you all guys our product, the normal forehead tonometer, and now we can open it. And inside have the button, you just open it and put the buttons inside. Now I would like to show you how to change the Celsius to the Fahrenheit, and just blow past the settle and just focus. The forehead tonometer has the 3 levels, and one is normal temperature, and one is on the high side, and another one is the temperature is too high and will have the warning sound. And now I show you the normal temperature. If your temperature is normal, so the screen will show you the green color. And if your temperature on the high side, and so the display will show you the yellow color. And if the temperature is too high, it's over top, so we show you the red color and have the warning sounds.